Edge Venues has been designed for the industry by the industry. So, with that in mind, we're always looking for ways to improve our users' experience on the platform, making it easier to find the perfect venue first time round. Now on Edge, venues can list price bandings to display from and to prices for each of your packages, rather than listing one price, which we know fluctuates daily. We understand that pricing for meetings and event spaces are constantly changing, depending on time of year, demand on the venue, and what's happening in the local area. It can all have an impact, which makes it difficult for you to showcase one price on your packages. We've also designed this with the buyers on our platform in mind, making their searching much easier. They can complete their searches in two different ways, either by location in simple and advanced searches, or by price banding in the advanced search function, meaning venues have more opportunities to be seen in searches regardless of the location. You can also include any exclusion information and dates to which your chosen band would not apply, and these could be factors such as local or annual events that affect your pricing. For example, if you're in London, Wimbledon will always have an impact on your pricing, so you'll want to ensure you include these dates in the exclusion boxes. We recommend checking your chosen bandings every 6 months to ensure your price banding is still accurate and to check if your exclusion dates apply for the following year. With the Edge price banding, you can rest assured that this gives you an even higher chance of receiving even more qualified leads, as agents, corporate buyers and clients will select your venue knowing that the packages you have to offer are within their budgets.